Hello guys, so today we are at this beautiful property in the city of Kings and Queens, showcasing the renovation works we did. One of the trickiest jobs we had to do was to remove the old ceilings and replace them with modern suspended ceilings, with furniture still in the house. Here you can see the kitchen. We had to fit our ceiling onto these fitted cupboards with wall cladding that was already in place. We really enjoyed the way everything came out and hoping for more jobs like this one. Our client was so impressed with our work and they will have something to say in this video. Thank you guys for your time. Ciao.
It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies all having fun, you know what I mean. Sleep in peace when day is done, that's what I mean. And this old world is a new world and a bold world for me. For me. You know how I feel. Scent of the pine, you know how I feel. Oh, freedom is mine, and I know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn. It's a new day, it's a new life, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good.
Very good morning. It is a pleasure for me to be sitting here today to talk about Vigilant. I bought this property in 2005. My name is Ngonitsa Shechimono. I thought it was a waste of money. But if you look at the pictures, if you look at the paintings, if you look at the ceiling, Vigilant did a great job for us. I have a great appreciation and very thankful for what you've done for us, Vigilant. And I could recommend to anyone, you don't need to be on site to see what they're doing. What you want is what you get. Thank you very much.